Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. And today we are learning how to donate car in Maryland. So let's start the video. Welcome to our informative video title How to Donate Car in Maryland. If you are considering donating your car as a charitable organization in the state of Maryland, this comprehensive guide is here to assist you. We will explore the step-by-step process to car donation, highlight the benefits of this phenomenal act, and providing you with the necessary information and to make a meaningful contribution. This video begins by discussing the importance of selecting a reputable charitable organization and donate your car in Maryland. We delve into the various causes and missions supported by these organizations, ranging from education and healthcare to environment conservation and community development. By choosing an organization that aligns with your values and goals, you can ensure your car donation has a significant impact. Right, so we dive into the practical aspect for donation and car Maryland of outline the necessary documentation requirements such as vehicle registration and any maintenance cost. We also guide you through the process of transferring ownership smoothly and arranging the vehicle pickup of drop and with a clear introduction and helpful tips. We aim to make the car donation process as smooth as possible. Furthermore, we explore the potential tax benefit associated with the car donation in Maryland. We provide an overview the ISO guidelines for claiming tax deduction and explain how to obtain a proper receipt of charitable organization expected the tax employed allow the maximum the financial benefit of your donation with supporting causes that matter to you. I hope you are understand. In conclusion, how to donate car in Maryland service as a vehicle valuable resource for individual looking to make a positive impact through car donation. Following step by step the instruction and content the factor discussed in this video, you can ensure the successful and varying donation experience. Help make the difference in the community, supporting with the causes that has tax benefit and donating your car in Maryland. Get ready to embark on a journey of influence, discover and enjoy the giving back. So furthermore, we explore the potential guidelines in the for claiming tax deduction, exploring the obtain the proper responsibility for charitable deduction. Understand that the tax implication allows you maximize the financial and of your donation while supporting cause matter to you with the best possible agency. We also guide you through the process of driving ownership smoothly and arranging for vehicle pickup or drop with a clear introduction and helpful tips with aim to make our donation process as seamless as possible. We delve into the various causes as missions supported by these organizations, ranging from education and healthcare to environment, organization, and community development. By choosing an organization that aligns with your values or goals, with the necessary information to make meaningful contribution. We also guide you through process transferring. Next, we dive into the practical effect on donating a car Maryland. We outline necessary documentation required and everything you need to find in with this video. I hope you can understand. In this video, we are talking about how to donate a car in Maryland. So explore the potential tax benefit associated with the car donation in the Maryland. We provide our UI related to the guidelines for cleaning tax deduction and exploring the causes that matter you, which is the best part in this video. How to donate a car in Maryland. So smoothly and arrange for vehicle pickup and drop off with a clear instruction of helpful tips. We aim to make the car donation process as soon as possible. So Maryland, we provide over the conservation and community development. By choosing the organization and the high your values and goals, you can ensure your car donation has a fine impact. donate the car in Maryland. If you are considering donating your car to charitable organization in the state of Maryland, the comparison guide is here to assist you. We will explore the step by step. I hope you are understand in video. So today we are talking about how to donate a car in Maryland, and I will tell you how to donate car in Maryland. So please, if you are new my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.